Welcome. Today, let's walk through the updated steps for creating your very own sticker set on Telegram. Whether you want to express yourself with custom art, memes, or favorite photos, Telegram makes it easier than ever to design and share unique stickers with friends. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head to any chat. This can be a conversation with a friend, a group, or even your own saved messages. At the bottom of the screen, tap the emoji icon right next to the message input field. This opens the sticker and emoji panel where you'll see all your available stickers and emojis. Now look for the plus icon in the emoji section. Tap this plus button to start creating a new sticker. Telegram will prompt you to upload images from your gallery or files. Choose the images you want to turn into stickers. These can be photos, artwork, or anything you like. For the best results, use images with a transparent background. But Telegram's built-in editor can help you cut out objects and even remove backgrounds if needed. After uploading an image, you'll be asked to assign one or more emojis that best match the emotion or theme of your sticker. This helps Telegram suggest your sticker when you type those emojis in a chat. Once you've assigned emojis, tap Add to Sticker Set. You can repeat this step to add more stickers or move on to the next part. When you're ready, tap on New Sticker Set. Telegram will ask you to name your sticker set. Pick something fun and memorable. Once you've entered a name, tap Create. Your new sticker set is now ready to use and share. You can send stickers from your set in any chat, and friends can add your entire sticker pack with just one tap. That's all it takes to create a custom sticker set on Telegram. Unleash your creativity, make your chats more expressive, and share your new stickers with the world.